Hello ladies and gentlemen, welcome to another perfume review video. Today, I know, she's going to divorce me any day. I bought more stuff to unbox and show you guys to bring them to your attention. My name is Naz, this is my channel Toiletterian. I am crazy about fragrances, as you can see behind me. I usually bring fragrances that they're not very popular or not talked about, under the radar, not many people mention them, but they're still very good and fantastic value for money. So I bring these things to your attention. Probably I am one of the exceptions in the fragrance community, because you know better than me that majority of the reviewers chase big names, big brands, because they get more views. Obviously they get more views and more clicks, and that is the rule of the game. Okay, for some reason this is how it works. I go opposite. Yeah, the less name, the unknown, the more unknown, the better. Okay, for me this is how I do things. I don't like to be part of the herd. I don't like to be part of basically everybody else following. I like to always deviate from the majority, and that's why I bring you these fragrances, and hopefully in this way I'll bring to your attention something that is worthwhile for you and it's nice to, for you like it, but always do your research. Don't just take my word for it. Go and look at Fragrantica and other sites, fragrance reviews and things like that, then make your decision, because we all have different tastes, different lifestyle, blah blah blah. Okay, so let's get on with this video. I'm very excited. I'm like a kid in a candy shop. Okay, so as you can see, this is a big box from Notino. I paid from my own money, so this is not sponsored, this is not affiliated or any old shape. Okay, let's go. So here we go. I hope you like this unboxing, because many people asked me in the past, Naz, could you please do unboxing before you do any reviews? But for some reason I always thought unboxing is not that much interesting, but maybe some people like it, they get entertained, they like what is happening. Okay, so let's see what Notino sent us. So packaging, as always, very well done, very good protective packaging. So this is some sort of whatever that is, I don't care about that one. And then the true stuff. So I ordered 3 Just Jack, but not any Just Jack. This is the high-end Just Jack. Yes. So I made a video about 2 years ago about Just Jack. I think I was the first one, as far as I know. And many people after that basically made videos and talked about Just Jack House for a good reason. They are very reasonable, but the quality is good, and also they imitate big names and big brands. So these 3, when I saw them on Notino, they are not as cheap as the regular Just Jack. Regular Just Jack goes around £20 or under. These are around £35 each. So they are high-end or limited edition or something like that. Okay, at the moment on Notino they have 15% coupon if you are interested. I bought these with 15%, so I got 15% off, which is not a big number, but it's better than nothing. Okay, so let's go first. Okay, so I've got 3 of them here. As I said, these are limited edition or high-end. Let me start with one which I think is going to be my favorite, which is Oud. I love Oud, you know it by now. So which one is the Oud one? I think this is the Oud one. Okay, start with this one. As always, Notino's packaging is very good. and this is called Just Jack Just Oud. So the boxes is high quality, or at least looks high quality, and everything is basically attention to details is everywhere, which is a good thing, okay? But the most important thing, I always say that for me the most important thing is the juice, because no matter how good packaging, how good bottle is, if the juice is not good, what is the point? But if the packaging and the bottle is terrible and the juice is fantastic, it makes up for everything, okay? So without further ado, let's do this. Okay, so how do you open this one? That's a good question, isn't it? Okay, look at that beautiful, textured box, golden, and as you can see, all the details, the attention to details is very, very good. And then it opens up like this, and there's some sort of blah 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 blah. And look at the bottle. The bottle is gorgeous. So as I said, these are not as cheap as the regular Just Jack. These are high-end or limited edition. So that's why you're getting much better packaging, much better bottle, and hopefully the juice is good as well, okay? So this is like velvety stuff. Alright, let's put this one in here. So the bottle is gorgeous, look at this. It's a bit unusual design, it's quite modern, but Just Jack here. This is the cap. The cap is very heavy, plastic but heavy. Just Jack 1990. It says 1691 for some reason. 1690. Is it 1691? It can't be. Yeah, 1691. For whatever reason that is. Okay, so atomizer is good. The bottle is fantastic. Look at the bottle. It looks very, very cute. I like the design. Okay, so let's see how is the atomizer. Very, very good atomizer. So far so good. The packaging is good, the presentation is fantastic, and the atomizer is good, the bottle is good. For £35, I'm very, very happy so far. How is the smell? Okay, so the first thing it hits you is the oud. So it is oudi. It is oudi, and obviously for this price it's not going to be a natural oud. We all know oud is one of the most expensive ingredients in fragrances, in perfumes. A proper natural oud, it will cost you hundreds of pounds for only a couple of grams or 3 grams, okay? So oud is very expensive. So in this one, we're not expecting natural oud, but smells very good. So the quality is much better than the regular Just Jack. Just Jack was good anyway for the price. I was happy with the quality for the price I was paying, but this one is even better. So they elevated the fragrance, quality, packaging, bottle, everything. So it's quite dark, it's oudi, is in your face, but it's not an animalic one is in any way or shape. So it's not barnyard, it's not animalic, but it's quite leathery, okay? So the oud is quite on the leathery side. It's like a dirty leather, okay? It's quite earthy. I didn't look at the ingredients, so I'm just going by my nose because this is the unboxing and first impression. So I can smell something earthy, so maybe there's a patchouli in there, which is making it a bit earthy. Or maybe some sort of herbs that they have, like maybe cypress or I don't know, vetiver, because vetiver sometimes go dirty as well, okay? So this is a bit dirty, a bit earthy. But the oud is there, so Just Oud is right. The name is correct. So it's oudi, is leathery, is earthy, is little bit on the earthy and not animalic, but the leather is quite dirty, okay? But for the price, I'm very happy. I will make another video to explain each of them more, hopefully with the longevity and things like that, okay? So Just Jack Just Oud, first impression, very good. I'm very happy. Okay, let's go to the next one. The next one is sorry about the noise. Okay, so let's go from dark to light. So this one was black and gold, this is purple and gold, and this is orange and gold. Okay, so let's go with purple and gold. So this one is called Just Jack Mystery. Just Jack Mystery. Again, the packaging is fantastic, it's very heavy, it's quite nice cardboard. Attention to details is everywhere. Okay, attention to details is everywhere. All right, let's go. Please, if you like the video, give me a thumbs up and subscribe for future videos. I bring you these things to your attention to go and do your research and know about these things. So I always try to be, at least, if not, I'm not the first one of the first to bring you these things, okay? But usually I am the first. So this one, again, it's got a nice textured box with the purple, and let's see, the Just Jack Mystery, so this one called, okay? And the bottle, same design as the last bottle, but this one's got purple theme to it. Okay, beautiful bottle. Again, attention to details, very heavy bottle. Is a glass bottle with some sort of plastic all over it to make it this unique design, which is looks like a very futuristic, very how should I put it, very what do you call it, sci-fi. Okay, sci-fi look. Okay, so again, attention to details is good. And let's go with the atomizer. Atomizer is good as well. So far so good. So how is this one? This one is called Just Jack Mystery. Okay, Just Jack Mystery. How is the smell? Okay, so this one is a sweet one. So the Just Jack Oud didn't have that much sweetness, very tiny bit. So it's not a sweet fragrance overall. It's oudi, it's leathery, and it's a little earthiness. This one is sweet, it's quite floral, and also it's got something like amber or vanilla in the base. Okay, so it's vanillic, it's ambery, it's resinous, is sweet, and is floral. But so far completely unisex, so none of them had men or women in them. Okay, so they both are at the moment, with the first impression, they are very unisex, and this is what they aimed for. So sweet, floral, ambery, and vanillic, but it's very nice. Again, they elevated the packaging and the bottle, plus the juice itself. The juice itself much higher quality than the regular Just Jack. Okay, but so far so good. Okay, let's go to the third one, but last but not least, by the way, there is one gentleman called, I'm sorry if I forget your name, James Grant, I think his name is. He's got another fragrance review channel. His name is, I think it's called Jockey or something. I'll leave in the description if you want to see his reviews, and please support him. He's a very nice gentleman, and he's got an amazing accent, very heavy Scottish accent, which I love myself. Okay, so James Grant, well done, mate. Alright, let's go to the third one, and the third one is called Just Jack Black Tuxedo. Black Tuxedo. So this one, again, attention to details is fabulous. Nice box, and this is again textured, very cute. So in terms of presentation, they are very high-end. And again, the bottle is similar to the first two, but different coloring. Okay. All right. So let's see. How is this one? Beautiful bottle. Look at this. Gorgeous. Okay. Let's go. Very, very good atomizer. All right. How is the smell? Just Jack, Tuxedo, Black Tuxedo. Okay, interesting. This one again is unisex, but a little bit it leans towards the ladies. Okay, a little bit, but still unisex. Okay, I would say 50-50. This one is a little bit again floral, quite floral actually. This one is more floral than these two. But I love it, very nice. It's got something like orange blossom, gives it a little bit of soapiness to it. It's got some sort of citruses that is elevating it, so I'm thinking something like maybe orange or mandarin, or at least bergamot, okay? But the beginning is very, very citrusy. But the floral is very, very apparent, so it's I'm guessing is orange blossom. To my nose, at least is orange blossom. Yeah, neroli, orange blossom, or petitgrain, something like that. And in the base, it's again a little bit sweetness, so I'm thinking maybe it's got some. It's quite musky. Yeah, it's quite musky for a dried, in the background. Okay, so again, very nice in terms of quality, as you can see yourself, and as what I can smell is the quality is very, very nice and is elevated, and they're all worth, at least for the first impression and unboxing, they're all worth the money you're paying. At the moment, I don't know what they are copying or trying to copy. Maybe I will, remember if I can work it out, then I will let you know. But at the moment, they are quite unique. I won't say they've never done it before. It hasn't done before. No, I can smell something similar to it, or at least from memory. But for what you're paying, for the quality, they are fantastic. Okay, guys, thank you very much for watching. If you have any question, put it down there. If you know any of these, please let other people know in the description again, in the comments. Give me a thumbs up and support me by subscribing, and I will appreciate it very much. Thank you very much, guys, and I'll see you later. Bye, bye, bye.